In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this exhaust tip on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. You want to take the exhaust tip. You can see where the logo is, so that is going to go upwards. And then if you take the clamp, if you slide the clamp on this way, you're going to be able to see where the bolt is from the back of the vehicle. It's better if you switch this around so that the bolt is on the front side, so then you don't see it from the back of the vehicle. Now you just want to take the new exhaust tip and slide it over the muffler, over the tailpipe. You can slide this on first, and then just work this back and forth. Until you get it to a spot where you like it. Right about there looks good. You can see where the logo is at the top. And you want the clamp right there. And we're gonna take a 15mm socket and tighten it down. When it's snug, then you can make adjustments if you need to move it a little bit. That looks good right there. Then give it a wiggle. It's nice and tight. It looks good right there. And then that's out of sight. That way you can't see that clamp. And it looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.